Welcome all to the video lectures of ARM7 based LPC2148 microcontroller. In this video, we are going to interface relay with LPC2148. Also, we are going to write a kill program and observe the simulation on a Proteus. A relay is an electromagnetic switch which performs on and off operations. Here, we can observe the pin configuration of an relay. Generally, relay consisting of inductor coil, swing arm, and two high power contacts named as NC, that is normally closed, and NO, that is normally open. When no power is applied across the inductor coil, the relay is in off condition and swing arm is connected to the NC contact. Relay uses electromagnet to move swing arm between NC and NO contacts. Whenever required power is applied across the inductor coil, the current flowing through the coil generates magnetic field, which is helpful to move swing arm from NC contact to the NO contact. Again, when power is off across the inductor, the swing arm switches back to the NC contact. A relay takes small power to turn on, but it can control high power devices to switch on and off. While interfacing the relay with the microcontroller, it is not directly connected to the microcontroller because a microcontroller is not able to supply current required for the working of a relay, as current sourcing capability of microcontroller is less, and a relay is activated by energizing its coil. Microcontroller may stop working by negative voltages produced in the relay due to its back EMF. Hence, relay is interfaced by using transistor as a driver or ULN2003 or ULN2803 driver ICs. Using transistor as a driver is the best way of interfacing relay with microcontroller, but when we have to use more relays, using transistor will be difficult. In these cases, you may use ULN2003 or ULN2803. Here, we can observe the interfacing diagram of interfacing relay with LPC2148 microcontroller by using transistor as a driver circuitry. Now here, one of the terminal of inductor coil is connected to the VCC and second terminal is connected to the ground through the transistor. The transistor is acting as a switch. Whenever transistor is off, the relay is not connected to the ground and current will not flow through the inductor coil. And whenever transistor is on, the relay is connected to the ground and current will flow through the inductor coil, which will make relay on, and accordingly which will switch the position of swing arm from NC contact to the NO contact. Now here, base of transistor is connected to the one of the pin of LPC2148. When this pin sends logic 0, the transistor is in off condition. As transistor is off, it is acting as an open circuit and relay is not connected to the ground. In this case, the relay is in off condition and swing arm is by default connected to the NC terminal. So in this position, our LED L1 will be on. Now, when LPC2148 sends logic 1 to the base of transistor, the transistor will turn on, which will connect the relay with the ground, which will make relay on, and whenever relay becomes on, the current will start flowing through the inductor coil, which will generate magnetic field which moves swing arm from NC contact to the NO contact, which will make LED L1 off and LED L2 on. So in this way, relay works. Now here, across the inductor coil, we have connected the diode. The diode is used to protect the transistor and microcontroller from the back EMF generated in a relay coils. Generally, 1N4148 is preferred as it is fast switching diode. This diode is also known as freewheeling diode. Now let's write the kill program for the same. First of all, we'll create the project. Go to the project, new Microvision project. Select the location where you want to create the project. Create a folder for the project and save the project with some name. Select the microcontroller LPC2148. Now our project has been created. Now create the programming file. Go to the file new. Save this file to the project location with extension .c. Now add this C file in a source group. So right click on source group, add files to the group and select the C file we have created. Now we can write the program. Here we have connected relay to the pin number 0.12. Now starting with the hash include, we'll include the header file of LPC2148, which is LPC214x.h. Then we'll write the delay function. Then we'll write the main function. Inside main, first of all, we'll initialize the pin cell register, which will select pin functionality as a general purpose input output pin. Then we'll set the direction of P0.12 as an output pin by using IODR0 register. So IODR0 is equals to 1 left shifted by 12, which will set 1 to the bit number 12 of IODR0 register, which in turn set the direction of P0.12 as an output pin. Then we'll use while 1, which will continuously execute. Inside this while 1, we'll write a logic which will continuously make relay on and off. To make relay on, we have to send logic 1 to the P0.12. And to send logic 1, we have to use the IO set register. So this will send logic 1 on P0.12, which will make relay on. After making relay on, we'll give some delay. And after some delay, to make relay off, we'll use IOCLR 0 register. So this will send logic 0 on P0.12, which will make relay off. And after making relay off, give some delay. So our program will continuously remain in this while 1 loop, which will continuously make relay on. After making relay on, give some delay and then make relay off and delay. Now save the program. Go to the target, options for target, output tab, select create hex file, go to the linker, use memory layout, then go to the project, build target, check that 0 errors. That means our hex file has been created. Now load this hex file in a Proteus and observe the simulation. Now here we have interface relay with LPC2148 to the pin number 0.12. Now we'll load the hex file and observe the switching of relay on and off. Go to the program files and select the hex file. Start the simulation. Now here we can observe the swing arm is switching between NC and NO contact, and accordingly LED is connected to the relay turn on and off. So this is all about interfacing of relay with LPC2148 microcontroller. Thank you for watching the video.